Well, hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. We are wrapping up week 7 of our What's for Dinner series, and for this week we have a lot of really good meals. We feel on rotation. So this is what our meal plan is looking like. We're just pretty much keeping it simple but eating a lot of meat. We're gonna have some chicken wings on Monday, some sirloin steaks on Tuesday, white rice, fried chicken. I actually made fried chicken with that cut up fryer that you saw in the clean out freezer, the video last week or earlier this week. Thursday night, we had some smash burgers that were really good. And on Friday, today we are making some stuffed bell peppers. I didn't go to the grocery store per se. We went to the farmer's market last Sunday, and the butcher that we like happened to be there. And so we picked up 2 pounds of wings, which we had Monday for dinner. I got 2 chicken fryers that they already cut up. They're vacuum sealed. And I got 2 pounds of cube steak, but I didn't realize that I had that many in the freezer when I went to go load up to restock my freezer the other day. But it's okay. We're gonna eat it. It'll be fine. Amato did pick up some peppers, some chilies, and we got some parsley for a meal that we were going to make, but ended up not making it. And that was pretty much the extent of our farmer's market purchases. I think we spent $73 in meat. And then I did pick up some milk, cream, half and half, just a couple of necessities, and that was it. So I probably spent about $100 this week, but that was all pretty much that we spent on food. All right, so oh, and I got some buttermilk because I really wanted to soak my chicken in some buttermilk, and that chicken just came out fantastic. I love it. I can't wait till you guys see it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into our meals. On Monday, we made some little chicken wings, little drumettes. They were so good. I made it really easy on myself because originally I was going to batter them and fry them, and I decided that I didn't want to. So I just threw them in the cast iron skillet. I baked them at 350, 375 for about 25 minutes until they got kind of nice and golden brown. And of course they reached temperature. These were already seasoned with the buffalo wing sauce, so I added more buffalo sauce, and these came out really good. I was going to make some macaroni and cheese, but I decided that I was going to use the gnocchi instead because I've been kind of craving some gnocchi and a cheese sauce, so I made some cheese sauce, and this was really good. On Tuesday, we had a package of sirloin steaks in the freezer that we wanted to use up. There were 4 steaks total, so we marinated those Monday night, and on Tuesday after Amato got home from work, he threw those on the grill. I roasted some potatoes and asparagus on the side, and then we threw in some jalapeno poppers, and this was good too. We still have 2 of the steaks left over. We'll finish those this weekend. But this was a really good meal. Amato really is a steak and potatoes kind of guy, so I'm happy when he gets to eat his red meat steak. On Wednesday, we made fried chicken. I used that buttermilk to marinate my chicken, and I double dredged it. So I took it out of the buttermilk, put it in the flour, and then let it sit, and then I dredged it again. And then when I fried it, I double fried it. So we got everything nice and cooked and crispy, took everything out, let it sit for a minute or 2, and then we put it back into the oil to get a extra crispy. Now, this fried chicken was probably some of the best fried chicken that I have ever made. But I think a single dredge would have been, or dredge, I think a single dredge would have worked just fine. I think the double was a bit too much, but it was still really good. On Thursday, we made some smash burgers. I separated that 1.5 2-pound package of meat. I made 6 smash burgers, and I made some pasta salad. Inside that pasta salad, I just threw in the rest of the tomatoes, the olives that I had from the bar. I was gonna throw in some orange peppers. They were sitting on the counter, and I totally forgot. They were right there staring at me in my face. forgot. Chopped up some parsley, threw in some onions, some red and green jalapeno pepper that I had left over. And it was, and some Kalamata olives. So I've been just cleaning out that refrigerator, getting rid of all those jars, and just making some room. Okay, and that brings us to Friday. Friday, we had some stuffed peppers. I originally was going to use one of my big bell peppers that I received or bought at my last grocery haul, but I decided to try these beautiful purple bell peppers and just cut them lengthwise. So we have 4 halves and stuff those, and they were so good. This definitely wasn't my favorite meal because of my affinity to vegetables, cooked vegetables specifically, but I definitely am learning to like them, and this was good. I'll have to make this again another time. Well, thanks for hanging out with me this week. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see all of you for week 8 of What's for Dinner. Bye, everybody.